Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be unboxing the brand new Apple MacBook Air, and if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future updates. So today's video is all about the first impressions of unboxing the brand new Apple MacBook Air. As you're aware, this product is quite a popular and a top-selling product amongst the range of laptops for Apple, and what makes it different and special is that it has Apple's very own M1 silicon chip, and it is also Apple's second refresh of the year 2020. I've purchased the product for around £999 and I've got the base model in the color rose gold. So without any further delay, let's get unboxing. So guys, here I have the base model of Apple MacBook Air, and as you'd notice, Apple have gone for the wedge-shaped design, and as I mentioned previously, I've gone for the color rose gold. So you'd notice that the lettering on the box is actually in the color rose gold as well. And for those of you that are interested in the specification, this is the 13-inch MacBook Air model, and it comes with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD. So let's have a look what it looks like on the inside. Wow, look at that. So let's keep the laptop aside for now and let's have a look inside the box. So inside the box, I've got the USB-C cable, and let's see what we've got inside here. So I've got basic Apple stickers and the basic user manual, and I've also got the 30-watt brick charger. I think that's pretty good. Let's put that aside. So now let's get back to the laptop. As you can see, it's still got the wedge-shaped design, and on this side it's got the 2.5mm headphone jack, and on the other side it's got the USB-C ports. I'm a bit disappointed with these USB-C ports. They're both on one side. I mean, I would have personally preferred if one was on this side and one was on the other, just for practicality reasons. But you know, that's Apple for you. They'll now force me to buy another USB-C adapter. But hey ho, what can you do? Well, having said that, I feel like I shouldn't be complaining considering the price. I mean, they could have, bumped up the price with these new chips, but they kept it the same as its predecessor, which is absolutely brilliant. So now let's get it open for you guys. Ooh, look at that. Hey, baby. I mean, just look at it. It looks quite nice, I'd say. But I think the bezels are fairly large in this model, unlike the new Dell XPS 13. I mean, I honestly feel that's the best display on any laptop. In terms of the retina, this model has a P3 color gamut, which makes it the same as its bigger brother, the MacBook Pro. And this is for all those people that are concerned about the color accuracy. And now you get it on the MacBook Air as well. So now let's move on to the webcam. It still has the same 720p HD webcam, but Apple says it's made improvements to the clarity of its image processing through the M1 chip. Now, obviously, until I test it, I can't say that the image clarity is what I expect it to be. So when it comes to the keyboard, you'd notice that it does not have the touch bar like its big brother, the MacBook Pro, but I personally prefer it without the touch bar, I'd say. Now, this keyboard has the new scissor mechanism. I've tested this keyboard previously in the Apple Store before lockdown, and I must say that the typing experience is just pure satisfaction. So this model has the Apple Touch ID for added security, and the larger trackpad is still invincible. I definitely do think that Apple trackpads are the absolute best in the market. In addition to all the fine attributes, MacBook Air is also running on the new Big Sur. And as mentioned previously, this model has Apple's very own M1 silicon chip. And Apple are throwing some crazy numbers about this chip. You can get about 5 times the GPU performance and 3.5 times the CPU performance. So there you go, guys. That's the brand new Apple MacBook Air. I hope you've enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.